Hi everyone. Today we are building a fully AI automation email system that basically capture email, understand them, generate a response, and send an email to customer. So basically, in the first node, we have an email trigger which will continuously watch the email, and whenever a new email comes, so it triggers. So let's say we have an email, and now we have metadata, which we have a subject, who is sending, and to sending. So next is email summarization. So in the email summarization node, we basically summarize the email. So that's a later agent will understand better. For example, in the first data to summarize, we have three option, which is we can use document loader to load the email, or maybe the email is coming as JSON or binary. So we are selecting binary. Now the second is chunking strategy. We can chunk the emails so that AI can understand better, and we are chunking as 1,000 characters. So basically, it will chunk the email as 1,000 character, and chunk overlap means that means the AI will use the first chunk as 200 characters so that it know the context, and then we are giving as input, which is our email, and then we have other method, which is summarization method prompt. So in the summarization method, we have mode, which is map reduce, that basically summarize each document individually and then summarize all the chunks into one. And in the refine, we first summarize the first chunk, then second, then third, and then summarize. And in the stuff, we summarize eh, all the email together. So then we have two prompt, which is individual summary prompt. That means it is for chunks. So one first chunk, second, and third. And after we let's say we get four summary, then this is the prompt where we get the we merge all the summaries to one summary. And we can give some context prompt, and now we need to give an input here and here. So after once you execute it. Okay, so you can see now, now we have a summary of an email. So now we give to AI agent. So we are using a tool agent, and now we are defining a prompt and now giving a summary. Then we have defined a system message, which is a prompt like you need to write an emails, and you can use tool. And in the tool, we have defined we are using as a knowledge base. So we have attached a Google Sheet. So if you go to Google Sheet. Okay, you need to first use your credentials, then you can use sheet within document, and then the operation will be used as get rows. And now you need to select a document and the sheet. Now uh, AI use Google Sheet to generate a response. Then we are using set field to get the reply to make it proper structured. So once you execute, so now we have an email, and now we are using a Gmail uh, to send an email to a human so that it can approve or disapprove. For example, we are sending a subject, which is from email trigger node. So if you can see, we have a subject, and then in the message we are giving a short summary, and then the AI response, so that a human can see and approve or disapprove. Let's say I got an email. Now I now once I approved, in the then we need to use